We about to do transmission oil change on this Prius. Some people, I don't know why they're scared to change these oil, because same thing as the oil change, but this one just take longer to change. This one you could change, you know, 50 to like 100k miles. You could change oil, because you know that one takes time to change. If you drive it a lot, maybe 50k straight, or 30k, 30 to 50. If you drive it every single day, I'll do it. But this one is time. Been time. I was just procrastinating. So all you need is 24 mil for the fill up there. There's a fill right up here. I don't know if you see it right here. Boom, that's a fill, 24 mil, and it's a 10 hex that you need for the drain. Okay, so let's loosen the top first. So when you loosen the bottom one, it just come out smooth instead of choppy. Okay, let's loosen that. All right, take it all the way out. Like I said, you want the fill to be, I mean, the drain to come out smooth, you know. If it come out here, it might come out here a little bit. Okay, a little bit, like I said, a little bit came out. Now let's loosen the bottom one right here. 10 mil hex. Like I said, if you don't know what that is, it's this. You see this? Starting to drip. Let's get the pen ready. Let's loosen this thing. Okay. All right. There we go. Now it should come out smooth. There you go. See how black that is? It's not black, but it's dark red. That's a good amount of, well, it's on time, man. It's not that really dark. That's a good on time change. It's not too late. That's for the trainee. This one's for your coolant, your inverter, if you're trying to drain. So don't get that mixed up. This is for the transmission inverter. Okay, don't get these drain plugs mixed up. Clean off this metal thing over here. Okay, I was doing other stuff, so you see how much drip is left? A little drip. Should be good now. Tighten this. Alright, clean that. Take this out the way. Tighten this thing over here. Okay, now stick the pump. Go right up there. Put in the hole. Like I said. And start pumping. Alright, so I'm gonna pump each one of them in there until the last one. I'm not gonna sit here and bore you guys and pump this thing. So I'm gonna pump all of it until basically sometimes it starts dripping out when it's full, or you just put your finger tip in there and feel the fluid in there. But it should be exactly 4 quarts because it's just a draining fill. Alright. I'm on my last bottle right now. Almost done. Pretty much filled because I see it dripping now. As you see, I don't know if you see right here. Look, see, it's dripping. So that means it's full. Okay. So when it's doing that, quickly put the top back on there because you don't want it to lose too much fluid. Okay, so let me do that right now. Actually. Okay. Dripping. Okay. 24 mil. Okay, tighten it up. Okay, it's tight. I don't know if you have to wipe this down. Clean this up, man. That's it. Should be straight. Start the car, and you're good.